Ever wondered who made reading possible for the blind? Let's dive into the life of Oskar Picht. Today's Google Doodle celebrates Oskar Picht, the German inventor who revolutionized accessibility. Born in 1871, Picht was determined to help the visually impaired. His breakthrough? The first Braille typewriter. Before Picht's invention, reading and writing for the blind was a struggle. But in 1899, he introduced a device that made Braille more accessible. This typewriter was a game changer. It allowed the blind to write and read independently. Picht's innovation spread quickly, opening doors to education and employment. He didn't stop there, constantly improving his design. Thanks to Picht, millions worldwide gained a voice proving that one person's vision can change lives. So next time you see a Braille typewriter, remember Oskar Picht, a true pioneer in tech and accessibility. And that's a wrap. Stay curious, tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.